Okay, everybody, welcome back to Experiments with Alani. Say hi, honey. Alright, so today we're following up with our National Geographic Volcano Science Kit. We place the volcano mold to set for 2 days, so we're going to be unmolding that today and see what comes out of it, if it holds the shape. Alright, so go ahead, babe. So first you remove the rubber band from around the mold. There's another one at the bottom. Okay. We placed 2 rubber bands on the mold even though it said 1 because it was leaking on the side, so we just secured it a little bit more. And make sure you use plastic or go outside so you don't damage the furniture when the volcano erupts. No, babe. Unmold it. Put some elbow in it. Put your elbow in it. Ah, that's so cool. Okay, let's see what's the inside like. Put it towards the camera so we see the inside. That is so cool. Come closer. No. Awesome. All right. So we combine part A and part B from the Earth Science Kit into the cylinder, and we mix that up. Show them the red color. Yep. Hold it down a little bit more. Okay. And it says to place 1 tablespoon inside the mold. So go ahead and put 2 of those inside the center of the volcano. Yes. Take your time. Alright. It says you could add some soap or citric acids to make the bubbles a little bit bigger. So we're going to pour some of the soap inside the mold. Alright, and then we're going to get 1 cup of water. The water's on the other table. And we're going to move the rubber band, honey. Okay. We're going to slowly pour. Slowly. And see what happens. Ooh, so cool. Take your time. Is it bubbling?
Not really, but it is.
Let's see. Let's get a little. Wait. Don't pour anymore. Let's see. And it's bubbling. Yep. It's bubbling. That is so cool. Don't pour anymore. Let it go on. So that's like a mini volcano eruption. And you can see the bubbles that are forming on the top. So that's like lava coming out of the volcano. You could have actually painted the volcano if you wanted, but we didn't want to. And that is so cool. Are you happy? Yes. Alright, so that's it for today with our volcano eruption.